are photographers, and we need to shoot a photo of you. Yes. And then we'll ask you if you're famous. If you're not famous, you keep the picture. If you are, then we put it on the newspaper. But if it's a secret, we keep it to ourselves. Okay, I robbed a store, a supermarket, and I also got some Astro jackets, invisible ones. That's how it goes. There. Okay, let's take your picture. I guess we have to do it reverse. Okay. And now, you see, that it was us all along. The police. Ha ha ha. You tried to fool us. And now it's time to take you to jail. No, don't take me to jail. No. No. Good job of taking him to jail. Great. Oh yeah? Because these invisible Astro jackets work, huh? Yeah! Whoa! You went so far! Whoa! How can we ever keep up with him? Don't worry, I go fast! Oh yeah? Let me reload that shotgun. Whoa! Wait!